What's up guys, today we have the GoldFX from BabylissPRO. We're going to be opening the box, see what's inside, and yeah, let's check it out. This is what we got. Here is the box. Okay, it's a genuine unboxing. Never have opened this box. That's the machine. And here it is, right out of the gate. That over here. Got the guards. And the charger. From the looks of it, it looks like it's really long, which is good because if you want to use the machine while it's plugged in and charging, you can use it. And it's not so short. Hearing from other reviews, they say that it's really long, where you can use it plugged in to your machine. It's not gonna fall off like when you're using your walls, and it just falls off. It always falls off like that. Screwdriver. Damn. Yeah. Babyliss oil. Your blades don't break. Guard. Keychain screwdriver. They're always good. You never know when you might need one of these and you have quick access to it. Got a card. I'll be testing these out, see how they work. And you can still use the wall guards on your machine, with the wall premium guards. They give you, what is it, half to a 6? Yeah, half to a 6. Here we go. And another one. Yeah.